Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today is another Fave 5 and we're doing orange. Last month we did red. This month we're doing orange. Let me show you my favorite 5 orange nail polishes that I currently own. Alright, let's start with number 5. This is actually Orly, which is my favorite nail polish brand if you didn't know. This one is called Light My Campfire. I actually don't have a lot of orange polishes altogether. It's one of my smallest collections because it's just not one of my favorite color fields. But some oranges I really do like, and they're usually the more burnt and dark and fall time oranges. Such a pretty color. I will be doing a second coat of each of these after they dry. It looks a little chunky, but that's because underneath it wasn't smooth because I put on the wrong polish and had to wipe it off. So, pardonnez-moi. This one's my number 4. As you can see, it doesn't have a label. It just says OB16. So, I actually got this from Polish and Beauty Expo 2023 from Gin and Berries. And it's one of their practice figuring out the formula bottles, and so they were giving them away, and I thought this one was just beautiful, and it is one of my favorites. It's a nice jelly orange with these flakes in here. They're probably gold, to be fair. I have some other polishes that are similar to this, but they're in red tones. I think this one, though, is also perfect for like the fall season, because again, the fall oranges are my oranges. But look how pretty it is. I love flakes. There's big flakes and small flakes, so you get a little bit of variety and texture in there. And if you don't like texture, you can always use like a glitter grabber top coat, but I don't mind. Number 3 is from Emily Damali. It is called Haunted Vibes. This one is a magnetic. And I actually got this one recently, I think from Polish Pickup. This one is one of my favorites because it's actually a multi-chrome. So it is orange, but at angles it is other things too. It's like a bit of a bluey green shift in there. And so you can wear it on its own just like that, and it is stunning. Or you can always magnetize it as well and get that beautiful effect, which looks like this. Look how pretty that is. I like it. Kind of should have put it a little bit more diagonal down, but that's okay. It's gorgeous. Here is my number 2. It's from Clionadh Cosmetics. This one is called Monarch. It's actually part of their stained glass collection. I also got this one from Polish and Beauty Expo 2023. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to make it to the 2024 one, but I'm going to the 2025 one. Let me know if you will also be there. And what maker are you most looking forward to purchasing? This one is so pretty. I feel like it's got like this gold shimmer in it, which complements the orange. Even though it's kind of a pinky orange, I really like that look. And I think this one's versatile enough that it could be good in the spring as well. This one's my number 1. It's a very tiny one. It's part of a mini trio, and also from Clionadh Cosmetics. Also got at PBE 23. This one is called Ring of Fire. The name on this one is 100% appropriate. This one definitely just reminds me of a flame. The color shift in it, and then these little glistening sparkles. It's like a crackling fire, and then those are the little embers that float up into the air. Look at that. It is so sparkly. I'm going to give all of these a second coat, and then I'll come back and show you what they look like. Alright, let's have a look. They're just so gorgeous, so stunning. Look at this metallic. It's so shiny, very clockworky. And then we've got this one looks like a fall time tree that's turning. And then we have this one. I really like this dark blue jelly base, but then it's got this orange slash through it. That would probably make a really good velvetized magnetic as well. We've got this peachy goldy one that is perfect for the spring as well as the fall. And then again, my favorite, this flame of a nail with its sparkle and glisten. It's got red shimmer in it, but the perfect fall time orange. These are beautiful. Let me know if any of these are your favorite orange as well, or if you have any of these. Now, most of these I can top coat as normal, but this one, when I put the top coat on, it's gonna have to be magnetized again while it dries because magnetics disperse. It takes so long for nail polish to actually finish drying that it's gonna spend the next few hours spreading. So we wanna get it as dry as possible while the magnet is on it so that it can stay together as much as possible. Let's go ahead and get these top coated. All right, and then let's do this guy. All right, I did go ahead and hold that on there for 60 seconds to give it its best chance of survival. Let's see, that's nice. You can really see it up towards that corner. Very pretty though. And of course, I will be getting some photos of these nails and I'll insert those here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, leave your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button if you did like this video. The algorithm thanks you and so do I. And if you made it this far, leave me an orange emoji. It doesn't matter what shape, but any of the orange ones. And then definitely do check the links in the description. I'm gonna try and make sure that I can get all these linked down there if I can get a link for them. That way, if you do want them, you can get them too. And there are some affiliate links and codes down there as well if you want to use any of those. And then definitely do be following my socials. I post things over there that sometimes don't make it over here and you don't want to miss it. And make sure you're subscribed so you're not missing my videos when I do post them. You can turn the bell on if you like, if you want notifications, but even if you don't get a notification, hopefully your feed will do you a favor and provide my video anyway. But that's it, really. Thank you again so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.